Hi, welcome to our series of MATLAB videos. Alright, so what is MATLAB? MATLAB is actually a very powerful programming language, alright, that is used extensively in the engineering, data science, and many other applications. And of course, over the years, Python has also become a very good language for all these applications. Alright, so the only thing is Python is freely available. Alright, and MATLAB you need to have a license. Okay, so most academic institutions or companies would have some license, so you need a license to get started with MATLAB. Okay, so I'm not sure if they have any trial version or what. All right, so that is something you can check with them. Okay, so I'm going to run through with you in the next few videos all the basic concepts of MATLAB, and we're going to be using MATLAB online. Okay, so it is a lot easier because you don't need to download and install a very big file. Okay, and you can get started immediately. Okay, so you just need to make sure that your organization has an account with MATLAB, and then you can go ahead to use it. Okay, so once you come to this site, matlab.mathworks.com, you click on sign in. All right, key in your credentials, all right, your organization credentials that is tied to the license, and that should allow you to go ahead and get started. All right, so I will give you the time to go and sort this out first. All right, make sure you can sign in or register. All right, and then create account, and then you can sign in. Okay, and once you do that, you will be ready to get started. Okay, so I'll give you some time to go and sort this out and come back before you see the rest of the video. All right. Hi. Alright, so if you are here on this page, it means that you have sorted out all your registration, alright, with MATLAB, and you have managed to log in. Okay, so once you log in, you'll come to this page. Alright, what do you see on this page? You have the list of recently used files, alright, where it has been saved, as well as some online training as well. Okay, now in order to launch the MATLAB online, there is this button here, open MATLAB online. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, and once you click on that, it will open up your MATLAB workspace. All right, and we're going to explore that workspace first, okay, to understand how it is structured. All right, so this is your MATLAB workspace. All right, again, very similar to how it would appear if you were to install MATLAB on your computer. All right. So basically what you have here is, on this left hand side, you have all the files that you've been using. All right, then you have your workspace over here. All right, and this workspace will be populated as you code and you create variables or data and so on. Okay, and here, all right, in the center is where we have the file editor window. All right, where you can create files, okay, which we will also come to. All right, and functions, and how you can integrate them in your code. Alright, and at the same time below we have a command window, and the right is a command history. Okay, so basically MATLAB is a scripting language, alright, where you can execute instructions, okay, as they are, alright, as long as you follow the syntax and see the outcome. Alright, so unlike C, where you have to write a complete program and compile it and run and so on, in MATLAB it's a bit like Python, where you can just write one line and then execute it and see the outcome immediately. Alright, so what we are going to do is we're going to explore some MATLAB basics using the command window. Alright, so what is the command window? Again, it is a place where you can type anything, alright, and based on what you type, alright, you'll be able to see the outcome immediately. All right, now so on the right here is what we have, the what we call the command history. All right, where you can see all the commands that you have used over time. All right, now what we're going to do is we are going to first write some simple commands, okay, and understand how MATLAB works. All right, so if I want to just perform a simple computation, for example 5 divided by 2, okay, it will tell me the answer is 2.5. okay, and you can see that 5 divided by 2 appears here, okay, on the right hand side, okay, and as part of the command history. Okay, of course, if you just write an expression without assigning it to any variable, then the default variable is answer. Alright, so if I were to give another expression now, 9 divided by 4, it will also assign that value to the variable called answer. Okay, but if I want to keep it in a specific variable, alright, then I can go ahead and give it any particular name. For example, I can say x equals to, okay, 12 times 2. So now x equals 24, and now you can see that the command history has the full expression. Alright, now you would have noticed that as long as I type any expression and I execute it, I'm also updating this bottom left hand side, which is the workspace. Okay, so what is the workspace? The workspace gives me a collection of all the variables that have been generated in the code. Okay, so again, answer, alright, the last value is 2.25 based on this expression over here, 9 divided by 4, and x is a variable, okay, that currently holds a value of 24. Okay, now don't worry about the size for now. Alright, size currently is 1 because it is a single element. Alright, later when we talk about arrays and so on, then we will have more understanding of this. Okay, so for now you can see that I can give any expression assigning to a variable. For example, I can say y equals to, okay, 5 times 9, okay, and that it gives me another answer, and then I can reuse these variables. Okay, so I can say z equals to y divided by x. Okay, so in any expression I can use variables that have been already populated in earlier commands. Okay, and everything is again in the command history. So anytime I want to rerun any particular instruction, I can just use the up arrow key and I can select any command that I want, okay, from the command history. Okay, so I hope this gives you a good first step into MATLAB, okay, to play around with the command window. Alright, and I'll see you in my next video where we explore more things. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.